Qstomize, a subsidiary of Renault Group, has almost 40 years of unique expertise dedicated to transforming vehicles of the group's brands, thanks to a customised range of 1,200 conversions for professional and retail customers. From our headquarters in Erdopaville, Qstomize engineers constantly innovate to meet the needs of each customer. This engagement is carried out by our dedicated team of 330 employees, each of whom is committed to working closely with you from our 13 production sites strategically located in Renault Group factories. From these transformation sites, we coordinate worldwide deployment in over 80 countries, working closely with 350 suppliers. Thanks to Qstomize, Renault has unique expertise integrated at the core of the group's commercial vehicle business, offering a vast range of equipment that makes daily life easier and better for business customers. Our ergonomic, robust, simple solutions are seamlessly integrated into the Renault and Dacia ranges. And our expertise extends beyond the group's brands. We provide solutions for key accounts, rental companies, and small business owners, including transformations for corporate fleets and driving schools. We also carry out interior and exterior conversions for corporate fleets. We bring this very same expertise to answer the needs of retail customers, including enthusiasts who want to stand out or those in search of adventure. Each year, we deliver over 300,000 customised conversions, meeting the specific needs of our customers. With Qstomize, Renault Group is the only manufacturer in the world to design vehicles customised to meet the needs of people with limited mobility. With our comprehensive range equipped to handle 1 to 5 wheelchair passengers, we are proud to bring all our expertise and innovations to empowering more inclusive mobility. All our modifications strictly comply with the group's quality standards, and our guarantee and after-sales service are aligned with those of the original vehicle. Qstomize delivers a unique, simple customer experience from order to delivery. Benefit from an expert contact and a controlled logistics process, guaranteeing transformation in 48 hours maximum after vehicle manufacturing, as well as an optimised delivery time to the dealership. Qstomize, providing customised automotive solutions to everyone.